Okay, let's open the first one. This one's for Mila. And then we're going to do the stockings. You can put it down. Wow! What's on the front there? Princesses. It's a princess memory game.
Yeah.
Okay, Daddy, you want to get the stockings down for everybody?
Okay.
Okay, time for the stockings. Stay there on the floor, Mila. Mila's?
Can we just dump it out?
Just give it to her. You can do it.
Thank you.
Luke's.
Oh, I got something out.
Hey, Luke.
What was? That's his.
Okay. Okay, Luke. Okay. Give me.
Okay, Luke, sit down. Open presents too.
You pencils.
Wow! Santa knows what you like, doesn't he?
Yeah.
What is this? What is this?
I have something else again.
You gonna show him how it works? No.
Brum, brum. Oh, and look what Luke got too.
I got a new circle.
Luke got a jingle bell.
Miley got a ball. Oh, it's a little
Wow.
basketball.
Yes, a pink one.
Cool.
Tag.
What else is in there?